Nature is completely free, yet it is deeply disciplined. The secret of freedom, real freedom, is deep discipline. When you observe nature, the sun rises on time, the oceans flow in their boundaries, the seasons change regularly, the leaves fall, the fruits come out, the flowers are there. They are regular. Trees grow regularly, steadily. It is deeply disciplined. There is a rhythm. So, the real freedom lies in deep discipline. True freedom is not in chaos. If there was no rhythm in nature, then it would also collapse. In the same way, when we do not live with discipline or structure in our life, we feel lost, we feel in chaos, and we feel scattered always. So stop chasing freedom. Instead, create it. Get up every day at a consistent time. Sit in stillness for a few moments in the morning or when you feel free. Move your body, exercise your body regularly, and create a routine. And you will suddenly realize that everything is free. You have so much freedom when you have structured your day in a proper, like nature. Let your freedom be disciplined. Start your disciplined freedom or your structured routine, your rhythm every day. That is how your comeback begins. Comment. What will be your rhythm, your structured day from today onwards?